We were all set for a romantic long weekend on the shores of Lake Como. Elegant hotel, check. Lakeside charm, check. So we just crossed over the road from our hotel, which is there, the Palace, and this is Lake Como, and that's where we're heading to our boat. So it's all on the doorstep. Rain or shine, we're not going to miss the classic Lake Como experience. That's the wooden boat speedboat tour. So, donning my captain's hat, we were off. And let me tell you, there's nothing quite like bouncing across a cold, wind-howling lake, pretending to care about the architectural style of George Clooney's villa, while secretly wondering how waterproof your shoes really are. Funicular. Looking for the ticket office. The excitement of the old white's face, but it's somewhere up there. In fact, I can see the track. I'm just looking for the ticket office. So this is the queue to the Funicular. So we're going to abort and try tomorrow. So I've lost the wife, but I'm back at the Funicular. See if we can go up today. I'm not sure if it's open or not. Okay, so it's open and no queues this morning. The Como Brunate Funicular has been chugging people up the hillside since 1894. For just a €6 return trip, taking around 10 minutes, it's super easy and well worth doing. Even though today was a bit of a dull and grey day. If you're a bit more adventurous and an outdoorsy person, then there's the option to walk down. It takes around 1 hour.
Champagne when it rains.
We've got a bit of Easter Sunday lunch at Julietta. So if you're in Como, near the fountain, just on the Lakeside, Julietta. Very nice. Make sure you book a reservation in advance because it does get busy, and we just headed in now. Here she is. And with dusk approaching, or perhaps it was the persistent rain clouds, I made my way to the Life Electric Monument. This modern sculpture, a tribute to Alessandro Volta, the inventor of the electric battery. Fueled by an incredible breakfast in the Palace's Hotel's elegant dining room, we headed out to Tempio Voltiano, a beautiful neoclassic temple dedicated to, yes you guessed it, the genius inventor of the electric battery and local Como legend, Alessandro Volta. The Como War Memorial, a towering marble monument, a tribute to the fallen of the First World War. We stumbled across the Aero Club Como, Europe's oldest seaplane base dating back to the 1930s. We didn't take to the skies this time, we blame the clouds, but if you fancy seeing Lake Como from above, this is where you'd book your bucket list worthy seaplane ride. We made our way to Terrazza 241, a rooftop bar that redefines classy lounging. Amazing panoramic views of the lake, chic seating and refreshing cocktails. And finally, the rain had the decency to bugger off. And would you believe it, with the weather finally beginning to clear and the sun coming through, we returned back to the Palace Hotel to grab our bags and we hopped into our car. Next stop, Brunate Airport and away back home to the UK.